Nothing like rooting through an old van. This is the second van I ever bought, and it has gone through quite a few different technicians, and we finally have a chance to root through, gut it, clean it, and then update it to how we set the vans up now. So I think we got, James is going to work out of it for a little bit. We're getting it kind of organized, and then me and Chris will gut it and really fine tune it to how we set these vans up now. But it's just amazing how much stuff these things will accumulate when they go unchecked and you don't inventory them or gut them out and thoroughly clean them. They just get packed full of inventory, and the problem is technicians don't see it the way owners do. This is money. Everything that's in here that's sitting, that doesn't ever get used, is just money sitting stagnant to do nothing. I hate overstocking inventory, and this is why we do these things.